Good morning, CoasterJaminPhotos coming to you here from Six Flags America. This is the Six Flags park that are getting ready to shut down after the end of this year. Here with Charlie today, riding some rides, getting him a credit on Wild One, which was not open the last time we were here. Other rides we're going to do today, Steamtown, we got SLC over here, we got Superman, Batwing. Get the rides in while we can. This might just be our last visit here, so stick around, hang out, and thanks for being here today. So Charlie and I just rode our first ride of the day, which was what Rajin Cajun?
Rajin Cajun.
Which is their spinning wild mouse. We got this credit before, Charlie got this credit before, so nothing big, just a regular spinning wild mouse coaster. It was kind of cooking at the top when it unlocked for the first time.
It was spinning a lot today.
But just looking around, like noticing like none of the rides are painted, nothing like that. So so kind of looks kind of run down, but overall just a fun ride, just not, you know, family wild mouse. So hang around. Wild One's next whenever they decide to open that. So they're testing it now. So we're getting on that and we'll be back. Hello again from Six Flags America, CoasterJamin here, up here at Wild One. They just opened it, sent out one train, and it is down maintenance already. So they're stuck on the brake run back there. They already evac one train. But one of the things I noticed was the ride was not locked out, tagged out, and one of the employees put on a vest and walked down on the ride track to go check the lift hill, which I don't know why they did that, but yeah. So start of the day, waited over an hour for them to get Wild One running, and then first train they send out the break. So currently down right now, hopefully getting it back up so Charlie can get this credit. Hang tight, and we'll see you in a little bit. CoasterJamin back here again, give a ride report on Wild One. So they sent out one train and it broke. Then they got maintenance, came up, fixed it. They sent out 4 empty trains, loaded us on after the 4 test runs, put us on, and then we noticed it before the staff even that was operating the ride, that the ride stopped short in the same place where it broke before. So after waiting, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes, plus the hour before they opened it, it went down again. So we're gonna go find something else to do because, yeah. So the same old operations as Six Flags America. I guess you can't really expect much else of, you know, coming here, but hopefully it gets better. I do see the lift motors on for Superman. I don't know if Joker's Jinx is running. We're heading that way now. So. heading up to Superman one train operation today. So we'll see how long this wait goes and if it stays operational. Hey guys, CoasterJamin coming back to you from Six Flags America. Should be called more like Six Flags Broken today. Just got off Superman one train operations. About 7 to 8 minutes to load a single train with 6 people on the platform. So yeah, operations not the best here. A lot of the food places are closed. Wild One is completely shut down now. No lift motor running. Joker's Jinx is closed as well. And Batwing is down too, so might be a little bit shorter day than normally, like what we thought. It is hot out here, but he literally, Charlie needs 1 credit here and
it's broken.
It's broken again. So yeah, we're gonna try to go over, get Aurora credit, maybe Mind Eraser, Screamores, whatever thing they call that now. And I think we're gonna go get lunch and head out. So
having a Six Flags.
Yeah, it's a Six Flags day in this park. You can tell that staff and all that really don't care. Totally forgot about Firebird. I guess we're gonna go ride that now. Hey y'all, back again. Just a couple operational things. We just got done riding Roar, which is behind me over there. It's running okay. They got a couple more spots where they look like they retracked last year, so it's not running terrible, but it's not running great either. Some of the other things we're noticing is rides just keep like dying. So currently Firebird is down and it basically slammed into the trims here at the end of the station brakes, and it's been sitting here for, I want to say, a good 20 minutes now, and they haven't evac'd them or anything, and they're sitting out just in the baking sun right here. So another beautiful Six Flags day.